Hey everyone, welcome back to Quotes Prompt. Today, we're diving into the profound insights of the one and only Jordan Peterson. In just 5 minutes, we'll unravel some of his key principles that can truly transform the way you think and live. If you're ready, let's jump right in. Compare yourself to who you were yesterday, not to who someone else is today. Responsibility is what gives life meaning. What you aim at determines what you see. The purpose of life is finding the largest burden that you can bear and bearing it. You're going to pay a price for every bloody thing you do. And everything you don't do, you don't get to choose to not pay a price. You have to be the hero of your own story. To stand up straight with your shoulders back is to accept the terrible responsibility of life with eyes wide open. Adopt a mode of being that will allow you to aim and gain what you truly want. The successful among us delay gratification. The successful among us bargain with the future. The person who's a master of patience is the master of everything else. What you leave behind is not what is engraved in stone monuments, but what is woven into the lives of others. The more stable and well-constituted your personality is, the greater your tolerance for differences in opinion. Don't underestimate the power of vision and direction. These are irresistible forces, able to transform what might appear to be unconquerable obstacles into traversable pathways and expanding opportunities. You're not after happiness, you're after meaning. You're not as nice as you think, and you're not as nasty as you think. The world's a very complicated place. Make friends with people who want the best for you. If you're not willing to be a fool, you can't be a master. You don't get to choose not to pay a price. You only get to choose which price you pay. The purpose of life is not happiness, but worthiness. Compare yourself to who you were yesterday, not to who someone else is today. You can only find out what you actually believe, rather than what you think you believe by watching how you act. If you fulfill your obligations every day, you don't need to worry about the future. In order to think, you have to risk being offensive. To go in a straight line, you have to aim somewhere, and if you aim somewhere, you automatically create exclusion. Don't let your children do anything that makes you dislike them. You should take care of, help, and be good to yourself the same way you would take care of, help, and be good to someone you loved and valued. Don't hide what you could be. Don't hide your injuries, and don't hide your potential. You're much better off to be in a category that's too large than too small. When you dare aspire upward, you reveal the inadequacy of the present and the promise of the future. If you don't say what you think, then you kill your unborn self. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more insightful content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Let me know in the comments which Jordan Peterson principle resonates with you the most, or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover.